The Superkittie bracelets.
And here's all the Superkittie charms. Super cool. Okay, what charms do we have?
Jenny. Bitsy. Sparks.
Who's that?
Bitsy.
Yes.
Where's Buddy?
And the last one, who's that?
Buddy. And Buddy. And two kitties. That bracelets.
So cute. Why'd you pick Jenny?
Because she's kind and smart. And she has claws.
So cute. It turned out beautiful. And I picked Bitsy because she's turquoise, and turquoise is my favorite color. And she's also kind and super fast and tiny.
And sweet.
Here's my bracelet. Here's our bracelets together.